Are you a UX UI designer struggling to stay organized with projects, ideas, user flows, and client feedback? Well, today you'll discover how Notion can be your all-in-one design command center. Welcome to PX Mentor. Let's level up your design workflow. Let's start with the big question. Why should every UX UI designer use Notion? Well, it's not just for notes. It's your central design hub. Number 1, centralized workspace. Notion combines docs, task boards, design notes, and databases into one space. No need for 10 tools just to manage one project. It's all here. Number 2, organize your design systems. You can store UI components, color palettes, typography scales, and even Figma embeds, all searchable and neatly categorized. Number 3, design project management. Plan sprints, track client feedback, create handoff timelines, and manage testing phases using Kanban boards, calendars, or timelines. Number 4, UX research repository. Keep user interviews, personas, and usability test results in a structured database, easy to access, update, and share with your team. Number 5, embed Figma prototypes. With the embed block, you can showcase your Figma frames and prototypes inside Notion. Perfect for quick reviews and feedback with clients or teammates. Number 6, build design systems and checklists. From UX flow checklists to accessibility audits, Notion lets you create reusable design templates that keep your process consistent. Number 7, seamless collaboration. Comment, tag, and assign tasks directly in Pages. Notion helps teams, developers, and clients stay on the same page, literally. Number 8, version control and archive. Store previous iterations, mood boards, and even old client projects without clutter. Everything's safely organized in one place. In short, organize your design life. Boost collaboration, simplify UX workflows, stay focused and creative. This is why Notion is becoming the secret tool for modern UX UI designers. And in this video series, we'll help you master it from the ground up. Let's head over to Notion and set up your design workspace step by step. Visit notion.so and click on Get Notion Free. Choose Continue with Google to sign up easily. Select how you want to use Notion. Fill in a few details about yourself as a designer. When asked, what are you planning on using Notion for? You'll be asked to invite team members. You can skip or add them. Choose the free plan to get started. Now you'll see the onboarding walkthrough. It'll give you a tour of Notion's powerful features. And just like that, your workspace is ready. In the next video, we'll explore how to use the sidebar, access key tools, and build your first UX UI workspace inside Notion. Drop a comment if you're excited for part 2. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to PX Mentor so you never miss a design upgrade. Watch more tutorials at youtube.com/pxmentor.